everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today will be another unboxing beauty advent calendar for 2020, and this time is the Benefit Shake Your Beauty advent calendar. This retails for €70 and it's 12 days of Benefit mini products in there. So let's open it up. First of all, it's a very cute box. I think it's the cutest advent calendar I've ever seen this year. So let's open it. Here, it's a magnet here. And ta-da! I think you agree with me. It's really pretty. So there's 12 little boxes in here. So let's get started with day one. Day one is right here. Wait, is this day one? No, this is day two, sorry. So let's get started with day one. Day one is this one here. Oh, I think I can guess what this is. This has to be a blush or the bronzer from them. Because it's the Hoola Matte Bronzer. I love Hoola bronzer. It's my first bronzer ever to try. I'm gonna swatch it right here. This is what it looks like. I'm gonna swatch it. Yeah, I love it. Let's move on to day two. Day two. Oh, maybe something with brow? Day Real Mascara. This one is really good too. I use it. Benefit is like my first makeup brand that I bought. Okay, this one came out. I have problems with advent calendars, just they don't come out, guys. Okay. So this is what Day Real Mascara look like. I think it's very good. Like, I love Day Real Mascara. I use it. Let's move on to day three. Day three. Ooh, I think it's a brow pencil for sure. Yep, I'm right. Oh. So the third day is the Precisely My Brow Pencil in number 3. This brow pencil is what I swear by for years. I love Benefit's brow products, and I myself am a really big fan of it, and I also have my brows done at Benefit. So here, I already have Precisely My Brow in full size, and the Ka-Brow, and the clear brow gel, and also the brow gel. So as you can tell, I'm a really big Benefit brow fans. So I'm really happy about this product and this advent calendar. So Precisely My Brow, it looks like this. It comes with a really tiny thing there, so you can precisely draw your brow. I love this product. And this is in my color, even better. So let's move on to day 4. Day 4. I think we already have a bronzer, so I think it's time to be a blush. Yes, it's a blush. It's the Dandelion Bay Pink Blush. And the color looks like this. It's like a baby pink blush, and it's pink, so I don't know, it even showed up here. Moving on to day 5. Day 5. Oh, it's the brow gel to work with the brow. Day 5 is the 24-hour brow setter, the one that I already have it in. Looks like it's clear, I think. Yes, it's clear. Oh, I'm in love with this already. And this is the 24-hour eyebrow setter. It's a brow setter, but it's clear. And the one is really interesting because it's really get everything from your eyebrow to set it. Love, love, love this product. I have a big one right here. And it's very big too compared to the full size. Moving on to day 6. Day 6! We're halfway! Oh, the Porefessional. So day 6 is the Porefessional Hydrate Primer. I have just tried the original Porefessional. I haven't tried this one, so it's a good advent calendar, so I can try new products from them. Moving on to day 7. Day 7, Roller Lash. I have just tried their real mascara, so I don't know. I have never tried the Roller Lash yet, so that's great. This is the Roller Lash mascara. I'm gonna show you the one. So this one is skinnier than their real mascara. I think this is really good for bottom lashes. Good. And day 8 is next. Of course, it's the Porefessional, the original one. I love this one, and I have been dying to get the mini size one, so it's good for when I'm traveling. Excited. Moving on to day 9. Day 9 is Bad Gal Bang Volumizing Mascara. Wow, we have 3 mascaras in here. That's great. I've never tried this one either, so good. And I'm gonna show you the one. It looks like this. I'm actually gonna compare all 3 ones for you guys, so you know what to use it for. This is all 3 ones. The first one is their real mascara, the second one is Roller Lash, and the last one is Bad Gal Bang. Great. Moving on to day 10. Oh, day 10 is Give Me Brow Volumizing Gel in shade 3. So I think all of it comes in shade 3. So if you're blonde or you're the one that doesn't use shade 3, then you're gonna skip this advent calendar because it all comes in shade 3. I love Give Me Brow. Like, it's very, very good. It's such a good product. Oh, I'm in love, as you can see already. And we have the Give Me Brow. This is my favorite product from Benefit. This is one of my first brow products ever. Love it, love it. And this is my shade 3. I'm actually a 3.5, but 3 will work. Moving on to day 11. It's the Real Tinted Primer. Wow, I have no idea that they have this product. It's the Mink Brown Tinted Lash Primer. It's a lash primer. Okay, I would definitely give it a try. And we have the Real Tinted Primer. Lash Primer. So, okay, this one is like a, I think it's a brow mascara. Tinted primer, I don't know, but it's really good because my hair is brown, so wow, like it. And the last one, day 12, is the Roller Liner Eyeliner. Hey, my friend used this one and she said it's really good. It's really black and it's really easy to write. This is what roller liner looks like. It literally is a pen, and you can glide it on really nicely. That's it, you guys, for today's video. It's the mini advent calendar from Benefit. Is 12 days, so I think it's a great gift to give maybe your daughter or your friends, your sister, who you want them to start using makeup. I think it's really cute because I tried Benefit's the first brand too for my makeup journey, and I think it's very worth it to try it. So if you like this video, please give this a thumbs up. I hope this video is enjoyable, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like this video and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!